Senator Amy Marcos has opened up about her strained ties with her brother, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., admitting they have not spoken for a while. The emotional confession came as Amy reflected on her late father's constant reminder to watch over her brother, a role she admitted she ultimately failed to fulfill.
Hindi ko nagampanan. Yung utos niya, yung habilin niya, paulit-ulit. Hindi lang naman nung tumanda siya at mamamatay na, kundi talaga buong buhay yata namin. Parating binibilin si Bongbong. Bantayan mo yung kapatid mo. Parating sinasabing ganun. Di ko nabantayan eh.
In a Holy Week video message shared online, the lady senator admitted that her brother isn't too happy with her.
Kaya Dad, sinubukan ko talaga, pinagpilitan ko. Nayayamot na nga sa akin si Bongbong. Alam ko naman. Pero hindi ko talaga kinaya. Maraming humaharang, maraming nagbabawal, maraming naninira. Hindi na kami nagkausap ng matagal at hindi ko nababantayan. Kaya nagkulang ako. Talagang pinilit ko.
The senator asked her dad for forgiveness, saying she tried but it didn't exactly work out since she was blocked and criticized along the way.
Kaya humihingi ako ng tawad. Hindi ko kinaya eh.